All right, guys, got this 2023 GMC 1500 AT4. It's got a 4-inch zone lift. These trucks come factory with a 2-inch, so it puts it at 6 inches of lift. We did the 20x10 Fuel Rebels, 35, 12, 50, 20 Nitto Trails. And on this particular truck, we were sitting about an inch low in the front, so we did add a lower strut spacer on it as well to pick it up an extra inch. I'm not quite sure if that's going to be just due to the 23 AT4s yet, or if it's just a fluke on this one. We do see variations in ride height between different trucks, but as of right now, it is dead level. We also have a special going on these kits on the Zone 4 and 6 inch. It's going to be $19.99. That's the lift, installation, alignment, tax, everything out the door. So you're essentially getting the lift and then getting free labor. Now these GMCs on this model don't have a ton of clearance, so when you're running a 35 on a 10 wide, you do have to trim your valence here, your plastics in here, and then we do a mud flap delete back here. We have to trim that as well. It's not as it comes out of the box. We have to trim it, and then we trim your plastics here, and that gives you enough to be able to turn lock to lock without having any clearance issues. Now this one's fresh off the lot, so it has single-digit mileage on it, so it's a super clean, amazing looking ride. Owner should be here shortly to pick it up, and as you would imagine, he's ecstatic about seeing it. So that's it on this one, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.